I want to give away something for Cyber Monday instead of having a sale because we already have a 3-day free trial and we already have 50% off your first payment, whether it's for the week or the month or the year. But I want to give away something instead. I want to bless 10 nursing students with Nurse Learn at no charge. So, what do you have to do to get that? You have to make sure you're following Nurse Learn on social media. You have to comment Cyber Monday, okay? And you have to share this post, tag someone in the comments. So tag at least one person, comment Cyber Monday, and I'm giving this away across all platforms, so whichever one you're following us on. I want to bless 10 nursing students. And if you don't know what Nurse Learn is basically an online platform that you can use on your computer, on your mobile phone. Works best on your computer, on your desktop. But you have access to over 1,200 practice questions. You have full practice exams. You have an AI coach, like a study coach. You have access to videos. You have access to lessons. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And it is designed to help nursing students, and not just when you're getting ready to pass your board exam. Help you while you're in the program. I just started adding up some documents, like some cheat sheets. So make sure that you like, follow, comment, and type in Cyber Monday and share with at least one person. And I'll be blessing 10 people with Nurse Learn at no cost to you.